Yes, we receive information that kababayan talaga natin ang tumawag doon sa mismong police. Sinabi nila o sa otoridad, sinabi pa nga doon na we do not align ourselves to the things that these Filipinos are doing with the other Filipinos. They refer to us as other Filipinos. There are no such thing as one Filipino on the other hand and the other Filipino on the... It's just very frustrating na totoo pala talaga ang mga haka-haka. I only refer to them as haka-haka before because I really didn't want to believe that yung mga kababayan pala abroad talaga yun din pala talaga ang ano sa'yo. Will put you in bad light, will try everything in their power to ensure that you will be disadvantaged or you will be positioned as an evil. Well, we are already thinking of going about the details as to why pinaalis tayo doon sa Duterte Park and where is the proposed alternative location for us to gather. We were told yesterday that it is nearby Duterte Park still, but it's along the road and it's actually a bit dangerous in my own personal opinion po. So we're going to raise this matter to the municipality of The Hague and we're going to have a dialogue with the appropriate people for us to go over the situation and for us to justify our position on why we are doing what we are doing. I just thought that I need to, how do I say that, stress on what's really happening in The Hague for people to have a better understanding. Bakit ba ito nangyayari? To start, we are actually doing what we are doing as Filipinos. We are operationalizing everything within the bounds of the law and we have secured we always secure appropriate permit every time we conduct an event or we ask people to gather around. Yun po talaga ang totoo. But unfortunately, there are different views which is really sad kasi kababayan din naman natin, ayaw nila yung mga ginagawa namin na gathering or event. I'm sorry if I'm always doing that because my nose is still clogged. Sana ba ako? Yeah. It's very sad because yung mga kababayan lang din po natin ang nagsasabi o nagre-report that they strongly oppose the measures and the manner why we are doing what we are doing. And that they strongly...
Eindbestemming van vandaag. Station Den Haag Centraal. 14 uur en 6 rijden wij winterstoptijd volgens dienstregeling binnen aan spoor 5. U kunt op de Haagse tram nog
Rosa Medina from Singapore, hello po.
Rijden Centraal naar Haarlem 14 uur 16 spoor 10. De Intercity direct Den Haag Holland spoor 11 de Rotterdam Centraal Breda Eindhoven Centraal 14 uur 19 spoor 2. De Sprinter naar Moerwijk Rijswijk Delft Campus en verder 14 uur spoor 1. En de Intercity service via de luchthaven Schiphol Airport Amsterdam Zuid en verder 14 uur 31 spoor 9.
I will go directly to Malieville because I know Aldo and some people will go to the Duterte Park to inform people that we need not to gather there but somewhere else in Malieville. So I'll just wait there. Marami po talagang ahas sa daig. May mga taong they even take selfies with you, they even try to converse with you, they even have like, I don't know, interactions with you, but at the end of the day, they are the ones who are actually the ahas that you are referring to. My 17 Badong, no, our rally is, our event, the big event is on the 24th of May. May iba pong grupo na gumawa ng event on the 17th. If you want to go po, I urge you to go as well. Because I think it's both naman po is in relations sa nangyari kay Tatay Nico. Yes, we receive information that kababayan talaga natin ang tumawag doon sa mismong police, sinabi nila, or sa otoridad, sinabi pa nga doon na we do not align ourselves to the things that these Filipinos are doing with the other Filipinos. They refer to us as other Filipinos. There are no such thing as one Filipino on the other hand and the other Filipino on the... It's just very frustrating na totoo pala talaga ang mga haka-haka. I only refer to them as haka-haka before because I really didn't want to believe that yung mga kababayan pala abroad talaga yun din pala talaga ang ano sa'yo. Will put you in bad light, will try everything in their power to ensure that you will be disadvantaged or you will be positioned as an evil in the narrative that they're trying to paint. But I don't want to dwell on that. But it's just that I want to inform everyone that we have an event sa Malieville po. But I think I need to eat something first. So I'm just going to bring you along with me while we are currently in The Hague na. Just wanted to eat some bread kasi nga I'm having a headache. Unsa tong post ni Aldo Duterte Park? So daw, venue sa May 24. Nasa Duterte Park. No, it's not Duterte Park po ang venue sa May 24. It's si Malieville. Ayaw lang yun na ito. So daw. Yes, may laylay dito. And it's really real. I refused before to believe in the idea that these individuals exist, but I experienced it myself. The effort of painting me, putting me in bad light, the effort of trying to operationalize a narrative that hey, Alvin is doing this, Alvin is lumaki ang ulo, Alvin, like all sorts of character assassination. It's really pathetic that you really exert effort to do that sa akin. What for? Hindi ko magets. Ano ba ang pinaglalaban ninyo? Ako ba ang kalaban ninyo? May kinakalaban ba ako? I don't think so. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna shove it off, and then I'm just definitely going to focus on my goal together, my goal which is also echoed or has resonated to a lot of Filipinos who are like-minded. Yan ang gagawin ko. I'll just focus on that. I don't even have time for you guys to make to make an effort para talaga every time na lang kayo maggawa ng kailangan ko pa talagang sagutin lahat. No, I will not do that. Hi. Can I have a chicken? What is it? Chicken.
Nugget?
Yeah, this one. How many pieces is it?
6 nice only.
How much is it, 20 pieces?
8.45.
I will have that. Can I have it as a meal?
The 9 one you can have as a meal.
Now I will have the 8.45, the 20 pieces, and then on the side I will have
Fries and drink.
no fries, just drinks. Yeah.
What drink?
7-Up. Cola. Sprite, yeah, Sprite. Sprite, that is.
Medium large.
Large, please.
And a sauce for the nuggets.
No, that's it. Just plain is okay.
It comes with the...
It's it. What's the best for it?
I'll say sweet and sour.
Okay, sweet and sour.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, they're trying to make it appear that our events are not within the bounds of law, or what we're doing is first and foremost, kaya hindi nakabigay ang police ng paper sa atin because we are just exercising our rights to protest and to assemble, and we are actually sitting in a public sphere. Kaya nga nilagyan nila ng diba? Kaya nahihirapan talaga ang police dito. And the one thing that Dutch always do is compromise. That's what they're good at. So you cannot tell me that what we are doing is wrong or is bad. You know what you are doing. Thank you, Pearson, Arlie, for the stars, and for everybody else who sent me stars. I'm really sorry kasi mabilis talaga yung comments. But to me, it's quite pathetic, even really, that you do all of those sorts of stuff. What? Because we are doing events, we are conducting events, and that you wanted to spearhead the events. If you want to spearhead the events, you should show up there every day and deal with the people. I only wanted the people to feel welcome every time they are there. That's my only goal. Bakit ba sobrang ninyo? Like, to a point that you really do that? You even call the police and make a report of some sort? False narrative, false reporting? Can you believe that? We are all Filipinos. We're fighting for the same fight. But why are you turning your backs at us and making it appear that we are not passionate of what we are doing? We are misrepresenting the situation with respect to its seriousness. Do you think we are not serious? Now let me tell you, a lot of people, the Filipinos are not known to be resilient, even if it's already facing danger with respect to catastrophe, whatever natural phenomena. Filipinos will always find the time to laugh about something, to show bayanihan spirit, to help each other out, to be collective, to be there in solidarity, because kahit anong bagyo, kahit anong pa yan, nag-iisa ang mga Pilipino. You didn't even thought about that? Na nabahaan na, nasunugan and everything. Lahat ng mga kababayan natin, most of the Filipinos will just shove it off and laugh. Yeah, it's okay, but don't worry, it will not wear us down. That's my point. So itong ginagawa nyo sa akin, it's nothing but a noise. Do you think I will stop showing up there because of what you're doing? No, I will not. All the more that I want the people to really feel like, oh, gusto niyo pala ng ganito, gusto niyo pala ng ganyan. I will even all the more do that. Totoo lang. And you are trying to undermine like what? Me? I am a nobody. I am just an ordinary Filipino expressing my dissent to what is happening to our former president. I already said it before, but I'm gonna say it again. He sacrificed for us during his presidency, and he only wanted the Philippines to be developed, progressive, secure, and safe for all the people to feel okay to walk around the city day and night or any time of the day. Now that somebody surrendered him and had him imprisoned inside the ICC, where, by the way, we don't recognize their jurisdiction because we are no longer an ICC member state. It is, I feel, my duty and obligation as a Filipino to show my dissent through whatever means possible. There's no one blue or one right thing of showing dissent or protest of what's happening to Tatay Digong, because we all have different, or we are all entitled to every expression we see fit. Wag na wag niyo akong diktahan kung paano ko gawin ang mga bagay, kasi I know what I am doing, and I always operate within the bounds of the law.
Nag-work ako, and then mag-practice ako sa Amsterdam
Practice na.
as a church. Kaya,
Pagdasal mo na lang yung mga kababayan natin na palagi na gumagawa ng gulo kahit wala naman dapat.
kaya, nag-aaway.
Hayaan mo na lang sila, be.
Yan lang naman pala.
Oo, dyan lang sa Maliveld. Oo. Salamat, ha. Sige. Kain muna ako, tapos pupunta na ako.
Kain din ako, tapos
Sige.
punta ng Amsterdam.
Sige.
Sige po.
Sige, ha. Thank you. God bless you po.